So from Ted, my soil is heavy compacted clay and on slope. During a good soaking rain, most water runs off and isn't retained. As a result, 90% of what I grow is in raised beds filled with compost. Any recommendations as to help with water retention on the property, as well as how to help with root penetration in compact soil? That'd be great. So you could do some terracing. At my new property, which I'm in the middle of developing right now, or not developing, starting to lay out the plan to develop. I don't know if I'll be breaking ground until the fall, until the summer or the spring, I should say. Terracing the beds. So you can terrace small areas depending on how much slope you have. You know, if you've got, let's say you've got a slope like this, you know, it's not super steep, but it's fairly sloped. You can carve out little areas like this. You could put a concrete retaining wall there, and then you could put 1, 2, 3, you know, 4 beds there, and then you could terrace again and do the same thing. Or what actually I might do at my new place is, I've got this slope coming down. I might actually just build my raised beds out of wood and just terrace the beds instead of having to terrace the ground. And then you could, of course, carve away those walkways in between, and then that could add water retention there. There's lots of ways to do it. And then as far as root penetration, you just got to loosen up that subsoil. Broad forking will do that. Just forking deep will do that. You know, you can use a ripper. There's a bunch of ways you can do that. But the key is once you do it, don't keep compacting the soil. That's really it. So it's how you manage it over time is what really makes the difference.